how to unlock and buy marketing poster in Waterpark Simulator. Now, first of all, open the upgrade menu. So first, click on the upgrades button at the top of your screen. This menu shows all the upgrades you can unlock in the game. Now find the marketing poster upgrade. So scroll through a list of upgrades until you see marketing poster. It may be locked if you haven't reached the requirement level yet. So reach requirements park level. So to unlock the marketing poster, your water park must be at a certain level. Keep building rides and facilities to increase your park level. Now unlock the marketing poster. So once your park reaches the requirements or required level, go back to the upgrades menu, click on the unlock button for the marketing poster. So go to the marketing menu. So now click on the marketing button from the main screen. This will show you different marketing tools you can buy. And finally, buy the marketing poster. So in the marketing menu, find the marketing poster option, click buy to activate the poster and attract more visitors to your park. And this is how to unlock and buy a marketing poster in Waterpark Simulator. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.